Hello, how are you? I hope you're fine. It's Christmas period, and yesterday my mother asked me, what you would like for Christmas? And I said, come on, nothing, I don't need anything. And then she asked me again, what do you like for Christmas? And I said, okay, if you're asking, I would like a good camera. How much it costs? I said, a good camera costs, let's say, 300 euros. 300 euros? Oh no! I can give you 150 if you want to buy the half. And I made a small research and I decided to buy this one. It's cheap camera. It's digital video camera Sony HDR-CX405B. I don't know what is this B. Probably it's a B model, something better than the regular, but here the photo is without B. Anyway, I'm happy, I'm excited. I've already ordered the camera, and I hope so I will make some very good videos with that camera. So today also we have to go to my cousin, and we have to go with Volkswagen app to buy a present for him, not to buy, to get from my job. So let's go. We're at my office and we have to choose two presents. So for me, I will get these special keyboard stickers. They are eco keyboard stickers to remind you about standby mode. For my mother, a bag, messenger bag, because she's a teacher, and also this product, standby button PC. One click and the PC goes to standby. These are the three presents. Okay, if I will not film any more, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas to everyone, happy holidays, and see you at the next video. Bye bye.